They're actually about if you're out and about today, so to speak, but make the most of it. That's the message. Things are on the move in the Atlantic. This deep Atlantic low will deepen further and rush towards the British Isles. The tightening isobars bringing us some very windy weather, and also with those weather fronts around we could see some significant rainfall, especially I think for western parts of Scotland during Monday and Tuesday, so that's one to watch, and we're certainly keeping our eye on it. We're already seeing a few spots of rain getting into Ireland now, but as the satellite picture this morning shows, we've a fair deal of sunshine, and I think the best of the day's sunshine will be found in the next couple of hours, because the cloud will bubble up a little bit more this afternoon. So not quite as much sunshine as yesterday, and one or two sharp showers across Scotland to watch out for. But in the sunshine, well, temperatures up to 19 or 20, fairly pleasant. But what is unpleasant today, some very high levels of pollen for hay fever sufferers. And little relief tonight because the rain will come across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Wet and windy to end the night here, but fairly mild as you'd expect. And wet and windy weather really the theme for the first part of this week in the north and the west. We'll even have some rain across parts of England and Wales to start, but that will clear away, it'll brighten up, and apart from some pretty gusty winds to the east of the Pennines, it promises to be fairly fine and warm at 24 degrees, but the rain will gather in the west and there'll be some pretty heavy rain driven on by that gale force wind. But once again, pollen levels still quite high in the south and the east. And that rain then will dampen things down as it spreads across England and Wales during Tuesday and Wednesday, but further north, some very windy weather. Look at the size of the arrows for Scotland on Tuesday, potentially then some severe gale force winds, driving in plenty of blustery showers, heavy and squally showers, some thunder around, and also some rain meandering its way through England and Wales as well. Perhaps the southeast and East Anglia staying mostly dry. But the rain then arrives for Wednesday, and we could see some heavier pulses running along with wriggles on that weather front. But generally speaking, Wednesday and Thursday, for many parts, bar one or two showers, look as if we'll see some fairly fine weather under a ridge of high pressure. Temperatures up to a pleasant 19 to 24. But then things look as if they're set to change once again towards the end of the week. This low pressure developing may bring a return to wet and windy weather across the northern half of the British Isles, whereas further south, with the anticyclone, the high pressure still dominating, it should stay mostly dry and fine. That's the week ahead's forecast. Bye-bye.